Ozzy's Christmas present. Hey, what's that? Do you smell it? Can you open it? Can you open it, Oz? What's inside? Can you open it? He might need some help from his daddy.
Snazzy. Hey. Hey, Ozzy. Ozzy. It's crinkly, so he thinks that there's some food.
I think there is food, honey.
Snazzy, come here.
What is that? Oz, what is that? What's in there?
Ozzy.
What's in there, bud?
Let's be the one. He smells it. He's going crazy all of a sudden.
Make him do a trick for it.
I will. Hey, Ozzy. There's not a lot of room for tricks. Double time, buddy.
Will you show your grandma and grandpa your tricks, Oz?
Okay. Here, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit.
Look at that tongue.
Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Roll over. Roll over.
He's too excited.
Ozzy, sit. Sit. Lie down. Roll over.
Good boy.
Go get it. Okay, Ozzy, sit. Sit. You stay. You stay. Ozzy, stay. 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 You stay. You ready to swing the camera? No. You sit. You back up. Sit. Stay. 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 Come on. Ah, he cheated a little. Good boy.
Merry Christmas, Oz.
That's your
Ozzy, Merry Christmas.
You want some more?